Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Ling. Today I'm going to share with you very simple and delicious egg drop soup with corn. Corn in Chinese is
玉米.
玉米. Good job. Let me show you the very simple ingredients. I have 1 ear of corn. You can also use canned corn and 2 eggs, chicken stock. If you don't have it, you can use water and cornstarch. So we just need to beat the eggs. Now I'm going to remove the kernels from the cup. So this is the way I'm doing. Now I have a flat surface and turned over. Now we just give a rough chop. So this way we get the juice out. Now we are ready to cook. First we're going to boil the stock. It's 2 cups and a little bit more, but 2.5 cups. Now chicken stock is boiling. Let's add corn. And add a little bit of salt. Turn the heat to medium. Let this cook about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, now we're going to add cornstarch slurry to thicken it and also make it smooth. Should be good. Give it a stir. Now we turn the heat to low. And we're gonna add the eggs. Slowly, in one direction. We'll stir. Let me give a quick taste. Perfect. And our egg drop soup is ready. Ready to try?
I am ready. That's beautiful.
Natural sweetness from corn, right? Optional, you can also add sugar if your corn is not sweet enough. Very smooth, right?
Wow, that's great.
I bet your kids will love it.
Really?
Kids like us, right?
Yeah.
I actually made the egg drop soup with tomatoes years ago, 8 years ago. I will list the link below. Please leave me a comment below if you ever made the egg drop soup, right? So easy to make. And if you like this video, please give us thumbs up, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.